Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I will talk about Euclidean distance, how it works, how to compute it, and what are the use cases of Euclidean distance. So in the field of data science and machine learning, we often come across a concept called distance measure. Like in my previous video, I have already described about cosine similarity. That is also a distance measure name. So these summarize how similar or different or how far apart objects are. And this object can be anything, can be string, 2 points, you name it. So in this video particularly, I want to talk about one of the most widely used and popular distance measure, Euclidean distance or L2 distance. This distance measure is basically for the numerical data, like numerical data means 1, 2, 3, 4, this numerical data. So let's see what is Euclidean distance. Let's assume in a 2D space, and this formula is basically for any space like two-dimensional space or higher dimensional space, also the same theory applies. So in the 2D space, we have 2 points. Now we want to measure the distance between these two. Well, the easiest way is to draw a straight line between these 2 points and then find the length of that particular straight line. So the formula to find the distance between these 2 points is also we can calculate by Pythagoras theorem. So we simply take the square root of the sum of square differences of 2 coordinates. We take off points, we subtract the x coordinate of the first point to the x coordinate of the second point. Similarly, we'll do the same for y coordinate for the first point and subtract the y coordinate for the second point. Then we will do the square root of those two values and do a summation and the square root of that final result. That's how we can calculate the Euclidean distance. Now let's see how to calculate this in a mathematical formula. In a mathematical aspect. As you see, I have already drawn one axis. One is x-axis and another one is y-axis, one two-dimensional plane. And I have pointed the points also. So here x1 is 3 and y1 is 4. And then x2 is 9 and y2 is 12. Right? So the Euclidean distance between these 2 points is x2 minus x1, square root of x2 minus x1 plus square of y2 minus y1. Okay, and then the square root of the final value. So the d is 9 minus 3 whole square plus 12 minus 4 whole square, and then d equals to square root of 6 square plus 8 square, which sum up to 10. So the Euclidean distance between 3, 4 and 9, 12 is 10 unit, where 3 is the x1 and 4 is y1 and 9 is x2, 12 is y2. So this is a very simple way to calculate the Euclidean distance between these 2 points. So this is the mathematical representation of Euclidean distance and how to calculate Euclidean distance. In the next video, I will show you how we can calculate this in code. Right? I will do JavaScript code for implementing the Euclidean distance in the next video. Thank you guys.